Press-on nails are a fun and easy way to change up your look. If you want to elevate your nail game without spending a fortune at the salon, this video is for you. For this DIY, you'll need a UV lamp, press-on nails, aka Gel X nails or soft gel nails. Choose your size and choice of style. You'll also need a nail stand with the clay. Now let's begin. To start, let's get our primary colors that we'll be using for this DIY ready. The custom DIY set we'll be creating today is inspired by the Pinterest Predicts 2025 primary play trend. Begin by filing each nail to ensure that all of them have smooth edges. Once you're done, get a fluffy brush and dust off all the excess dust. Apply a coat of white gel nail polish. This will act as the base for our picture frame nail art. Apply another white coat base to the pinky nail. You'll see why we did this later. Cure the nails, and then let's start the next hand. Grab some blue gel nail polish for the base color of our next nail. Cure that nail, and now on to the next. For the next design, mix some white and some green polish. This is gel nail polish, by the way. This is going to create a nice and pretty green color, as you can see. Grab a brush and apply the custom nail color we just created. This will act as the background to our custom hand-painted nail design. Now that the pinky nail is cured, it's time to add the detailed red stripes. Cure that nail. Apply that custom orange color we created in the beginning as the base coat of the next nail. Cure that nail and then apply a second base coat to each nail. Do the same for the stripe designs. At this point, I was just freestyling. Everything here is a reflection of what I created through inspiration from the Pinterest Predicts 2025 website, as well as different pins that I've seen on Pinterest, and just inspiration in regards to primary play, as well as a touch of class. It's a different experience actually doing this live and then going back and chopping it up and editing it. Right now I'm currently in the editing stage and I'm looking at this. Was inspired by my surroundings. I erased different styles, like right here if you pay attention to this. I worked on this thumb so much, but just going with my gut feeling of how I felt it should look and what the vibe I was going for. It came out beautiful. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to join me live to watch me create these DIY press-on nails in real time. Like, comment, and share this with your nail bestie. Pay attention to the details. Mix a peachy red color to create the rose for our flower. Feel free to ask me any questions in regards to any of these nail designs. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Create a deeper shade of the color and apply another layer. Curl your nails in between each layer. Now I'm adding some highlighted effects for contrast. Grab you some builder gel and roll it out. This will be used to create our frame. Builder gel may be sticky to work with, so please be patient and take your time. Grab you some gold chrome powder and let's get to work. Apply the chrome to the 3D surface. Repeat the same steps and then dust off all the excess chrome powder. I experienced technical difficulties trying to record the rest of this tutorial. Nevertheless, I present to you the masterpiece. I rearranged these nails in different ways. Which option do you think I should apply these press-on nails? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. See you next time.